Topic: Handling of tools and precautions. Objectives: to understand how to handle the tools which are most important for technical activities, to handle few tools safely with battery operated activities for safe learning. Materials required: wire stripper, cutter, cutting pliers, connecting wires, nose pliers, line tester. Uses of tools: wire strippers. It is used to remove the insulations of the wire. Cutter. It is used to cut the wire. Cutting pliers. It is used to hold the things and also used to cut the thin wires and cables. Connecting wires. It is used to connect the wires. Here it is used to practice remove the insulation and to stitch the wire strips. Nose pliers. It is used to hold the things from the small passages. Example, holding the screw from some hole. Line tester. It is used to test the presence of electricity. Precautions. Caution must be taken while handling sharp-edged tools such as electrician's knife, screwdrivers, cutters, etc. Use appropriate tools only. While using line tester, proper care must be taken not to touch any live wire.